Opposition Congress MLA Komokcham Joykisan today expressed his desire to postpone the forthcoming by-polls in the state in view of the coronavirus situation. During a press meet, he also expressed concern over the current political scenario in Manipur. Irravat Celebration Committee ICC President and CPI leader Dr. M. Nara today underlined on the need of a government based on the ideology of Lamyanba Hizam Irravat. Dr. Nara was participating in the state in the 69th death anniversary observance of Jananeta Hizam Irravat at CPI Manipur State Office located at Roop Mahal Teng in Imphal. The program was organized by ICC. Jananeta Irravat Memorial Trust Jiribam today observed the 69th death anniversary of Lamyanba Hizam Irravat at Irravat Complex located in the heart of Jiribam district. According to a Jiribam correspondent, JIMET lifetime president Dr. Chandam Kamal Singh led the participants in offering floral tribute to the statue of the late leader during the program. The COVID-19 positive cases in India inch closer to the 59 lakh mark, with the country's death toll climbing to 93,308. A total of 1,141 deaths were recorded in the last 24 hours. The total case count now stands at 58,18,571, including 9,70,116 active cases, 47,56,165 cured, discharged or migrated, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said. The overall number of global coronavirus cases has topped 32.4 million, while the deaths have increased to more than 9,87,000 according to the Johns Hopkins University. A media report said that the total number of cases stood at 3,24,71,119 and the fatalities rose to 9,87,593. Two women cricketers have lost their lives and 3 others went missing following a massive landslide at Maunai in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills district. As per the report, the landslide was triggered by incessant rainfall occurred in the state during the last 6 days. Bodies of cricketers Rajia Ahmed and Firozia Khan were reportedly recovered from the debris. The only crowning glory that Pakistan has to show to the world for the last 7 decades is terrorism, ethnic cleansing, majoritarian fundamentalism and clandestine nuclear threat, India said in a scathing response yesterday, slamming Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan's incessant rant and venom in the UN General Assembly. First Secretary in the Parliament Mission of India to the UN, Mizito Vinito from Nagaland, said, making India's right to reply, that the August Forum witnessed a new low on its 75th anniversary, a media report said.